Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can create Google Forms for research questionnaire. So for that you need to open up your browser, and after that you need to make sure that you are logged into your account, Google account to be specific. Then go to this option of apps on the browser, just click on it, then scroll down to the very end, and then you will be able to see this option of forms over here. Just click on it, and after it opens up, just click on this option of blank. And here this blank form will appear. Just name the test, add the description to your test, and after that just type the question that you want to be asked in the form. And you can also click over here and a list will appear where you can choose the different types of questions. Like if you want it to be a short answer type question, just select it, and if you want the paragraphs to be written by the students, then you can just select this one, and this way you just choose as per your requirements. And after choosing it, just type the question, type the options to it, click on add another if it is a multiple choice question, and you will be able to write the second option for it, then type the third one and the fourth one. And if you want the answer key to be appear at the very bottom of this form, then just go to this option of settings, and here you will find this option of make this a quiz. Just turn it on and also select the options as per your requirements over here, because selecting them or deselecting them is a personal choice. So just go to the questions after that, and you will be able to see this option of answer key over here. Just click on it, and after that you can set any of the option as the correct one, and also reward points for a correct answer. And you can also add an explanation for the correct answer by clicking on this option of add answer feedback, and then just click on done. And this way you can just rearrange it and rewrite it as per your requirements, and you will be good to go. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.